How to buy stocks with Edward Jones. Follow my instructions. If you want to start investing in individual stocks with Edward Jones, the process is simple and guided, whether you're using the app or website. Here's exactly how to buy your first stock in 2025. First, log into your Edward Jones account via the mobile app or desktop. Once logged in, go to the Accounts or Portfolio section. Then tap on the account where you want to place your investment. Now look for the trade or buy-sell option. Tap Buy and enter the stock symbol, like APL for Apple. The app will fetch the live stock data, check the price and chart. Next, enter how many shares you want to buy. Choose Market Order if you want it to execute instantly, or Limit Order if you want to set a price. After reviewing your order details, click Preview Order to double-check everything. Then tap Submit Order to confirm the purchase. Your order will be placed and you'll get a confirmation on screen. You can view your new stock under your portfolio within minutes, and that's how you buy stocks using Edward Jones in 2025. Thanks for watching.